lumabas na mga balita na mayroon nang na-issue na warrant of arrest. Pero as of now, sabi nga natin, hindi po namin maiko-confirm agad-agad kung wala pa po kaming physical copy nung warrant of arrest. Ang sabi po kasi ng DOJ, since hindi po tayo miyembro ngayon ng ICC, kung nagkataon po kasi tayo miyembro, pwede po itong ipadaan sa opisina po ng Pangulo o kaya po sa DOJ o kaya sa DFA.
Mr. President, meron po bang pisikal na kopya ng warrant of arrest laban kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte mula sa ICC?
Oh, meron. This came in. Actually, it came in. I received it from Secretary Remulla. I received it at 3 a.m. last night, and I looked at it, and we went back and forth. 6:30, he wrote me again, and he said, we have it already. We have the warrant of arrest from Interpol. And I said, okay, we'll put all our plans into place. Sige, let's proceed as we had discussed. Now, that's what happened. So yes, there is a very clear document that will explain that will explain the basis on how we conducted this arrest of former President Duterte.
About the ICC, we did not discuss anything about the
Were there discussions before this?
No, with President Marcos, no. There were no discussions with President Marcos, except that I wrote him a letter, and then he replied regarding the ICC and that there will be no cooperation with the ICC, and we will release that letter.